Welcome to ClearTask. Today I will show you how to add a footer to only a specific page in Microsoft Word without affecting the rest of your document. First, you need to separate your target page from the rest of the document using section breaks. Place your cursor at the very end of the page, right before your target page. Go to the Layout tab, click Breaks, and select Next Page under Section Breaks. Now scroll down and place your cursor at the end of the page where you actually want the footer to appear. Again, go to Layout, click Breaks, and select Next Page. Your target page is now its own isolated section. Next, double-click the bottom margin of your target page to open the footer area. Look at the header and footer menu at the top of your screen. You will see the link to previous option is highlighted. Click it to turn it off. This disconnects the footer from the pages above it. Now go ahead and type your footer text. Finally, to stop this new footer from continuing on to the following pages, scroll down to the footer of the next page. Double-click it, turn off link to previous one more time, and simply delete the text. That is it. Your footer is now isolated to just that specific page. If this guide helped you, please like the video and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward tutorials.